Today we're doing the secret life of the alphas and an interview with the alphas. So let's get into it. All the clips. Greeley. Hi Greeley, where do you live? I live in a very phantom volcano filled with lava, and it's right by the firmament, so I can remind myself how dark and shadowy I am. Really, I don't think that's a really safe place to live. Of course it is. Now go away, scram! Jesus, Greeley, I didn't know you were so mean. Cosmo. Hey Cosmo, how do I use a chomper plant? And I'll just throw it in any direction and it explodes. Cosmo, I don't think that's very safe. Of course it's safe. Now only let's explore this dark phantom. I'm out of here. Sir Gilbert. Sir Gilbert, how do I fight the Phantom King? I don't know, but who cares? Just follow me into this high-radiation forest. Sir Gilbert, you do know that's very dangerous, and I could die. Who cares? You're a weird alpha. Graham Cracker. Graham, what do you even do all day? I mean cool stuff that is safe for the environment. No, Graham, you make dangerous things that are not for kids. And you pick your nose a lot. Isn't that right? No, Graham, that's not cool. You're such a stupid alpha. Aww. Liza, how do I defeat a phantom? Who cares? Just run towards it and charge at it, and just throw something at it. Wow, you alphas are terrible influencers. Liza, help! Help! I knew that would teach me something. They grow up so fast. Wait, no, he's dead. The alphas suck. Heck, you literally teach us nothing at all. What do you mean? I'm cool, alpha. Peck, no Peck. You're always drunk. Hey, look, a rainbow! No, Peck. There's a storm coming. Follow me into the dark woods. Peck, you're so creepy sometimes. Peck, I don't think you're even considered an alpha. See that you smell? I'm so cool. Peck got me lost in the woods. Now storm's coming. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the video. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and comment which was your favorite. I hope this skit was really funny. Sorry for the part with Peck. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.